Notifications are an important part of the workflow system. It's how stakeholders in a process are alerted to requests or instances they're involved with. In most circumstances, notifications would be sent by email. However, if the notification is sent to a full or basic license user, that user will be able to log into their Perfect Forms account and view their notifications in a single place rather than through their email inbox. Notifications are normally sent when a form instance moves between different stages, although other options are possible. If a notification is sent to someone who is expected to take action, then it would normally have a level of attention set. This is covered in the workflow tutorials, but the resulting level of attention can be seen in the dashboard as a coloured indicator in the first column and a level name in the last column. Other information is also shown on the dashboard, such as the notification name, date, time, and instance name. The notifications shown in the dashboard are those that need the user's attention and have not yet been cancelled. Both topics are also covered in the workflow tutorials. The same notifications with attention can also be seen from the Attention Needed section on the left. Some notifications, mainly those that don't require a user's specific attention, can be configured without a level of attention. These notifications can be found in the No Attention Needed section, also on the left. In other tutorial videos, we will show what other information can be seen and how to filter or search for specific instances in the dashboard.